Open up some blinds here. Look at that. Still snow on the ground. Oh, it's cold. Okay. Making some bacon and garlic fried rice. I'm gonna also make some scrambled eggs. There's some more bacon. My family likes to have garlic fried rice with bacon and eggs for breakfast. And this, I heard it. And this is our breakfast. Bacon and eggs and garlic fried rice. And my son and I is watching a regular show. This is our routine every morning. We would have breakfast here in the living room and watch cartoon. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning up the kitchen here. Yep, kitchen's a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen. I'm gonna use this to clean my counter. And I have my microfiber rags. My sink is clean. Dishes are done. Yep. Stove is clean. That's my morning routine. Making breakfast, cleaning up the kitchen, and then do whatever I need to do afterwards. It's snowing again, and it's Wednesday. We're gonna have snow until Thursday. Look at that. More snow. Okay. Look at this is our driveway. Look at that. You can't even see the sidewalks anymore. Yep, the whole entire cul-de-sac is filled with snow. We're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of snow on top of what we already have on the ground. And we're supposed to have snow up until Thursday afternoon. Good morning, everyone. Look at my backyard. We had heavy snow last night. Look at that. The trees are filled with snow. We have about, I think, like 8 to 10 inches snow right now on the ground. So yeah, this is how it looks after all that heavy snow from last night. We already had like 5 inches of snow before the heavy snow came in last night. Now we have more snow. Look at that. That is more snow. Look at all that. Wow. Yep. Look at it looks like icing on our table there in the backyard. That's how much snow landed on that. But yeah. Gosh. Wow. Look at that. Heavy snow last night. So it added more snow to what snow we had on the ground already. Look at that. Oh gosh. Look at the tree.